a rolling masterpiece of American excess. The 1979 Lincoln Continental stands as one of the last great land yachts, defining an era when luxury was measured in sheer size, comfort, and presence. With its imposing length, squared-off design, and signature hidden headlights, this Continental commanded respect on the road like few other vehicles of its time. Now a sought-after classic, it remains an enduring symbol of 1970s automotive opulence, blending plush interiors with a ride so smooth it feels like floating on air. Introduced as the final model year of its generation, the 1979 Continental marked the end of an era before downsizing and fuel efficiency took center stage. Under the massive hood lay a choice of two legendary V8 powertrains, a 6.6L, 400 cubic inch, or the even mightier 7.5L, 460 cubic inch, both delivering effortless torque and a whisper-quiet cruising experience, paired with a 3-speed automatic transmission. The power delivery was smooth and dignified, designed for highway dominance rather than quick acceleration. Despite its hefty curb weight, the Lincoln Continental remained a status symbol, driven by those who demanded unmatched comfort and sophistication. Stepping inside revealed an interior that was nothing short of a personal luxury lounge. Plush velour or premium leather seating welcomed occupants into a world of space and elegance, with deep cushioned seats that made every journey feel like a first-class experience. Simulated wood grain trims, opera windows, and a dashboard packed with the latest technology of its time, including power windows, automatic climate control, and an optional digital clock, elevated the Continental's grandeur. The ride quality was unmatched, thanks to Lincoln's focus on isolating road imperfections, making long-distance cruising a serene affair. The 1979 model also marked the end of the full-sized Continental in its original, unapologetically large form. With rising fuel prices and government regulations tightening emissions, Lincoln's flagship would soon be downsized, making this final year a must-have for collectors and enthusiasts. Today, pristine examples of the 1979 Lincoln Continental are highly desirable, with values steadily rising as appreciation for these luxury cruisers grows. Depending on condition and originality, prices can range from $10,000 for a project car to over $40,000 for a well-preserved, low-mileage example. Owning a classic like the 1979 Continental isn't just about driving, it's about experiencing a lost era of automotive indulgence. Whether it's the commanding presence on the road, the unrivaled comfort, or the nostalgia of a time when bigger truly meant better, this Lincoln remains an icon of American luxury. What are your thoughts on this legendary machine? Share your views in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and be part of our ever-growing community of classic car lovers.